Believe it or not, your ego is what's stopping you from doing what you truly want to do in life. Okay? Because your soul knows exactly what you want. Okay, your soul knows exactly what you want to do with your life, exactly what you want to do in the future or what you want right now. One of my videos, somebody asked me in the comments, how do you tap in with your higher self? I told her it's like that OG in your head that just knows everything, that knows right from wrong, that really knows what's right from wrong. Okay. And you know what I'm saying? They move, your higher self just moves, it moves properly. Your ego is sort of what you were programmed to think you are. Okay, your authentic self, your true self, your soul knows exactly what you really want or what you really have to do on this earth. Okay, but you have to tap into that. Okay, you can't just be out here wasting, you know what I'm saying, wasting time. Okay, wasting time moving out of your ego. Okay, tap in with yourself, your soul, not your ego, not the one that think they know it all. Your soul. Okay, speak from the soul, move from the soul. Okay, like I said, your ego really manipulates you into thinking that you don't really want to do what you really want to do. Okay, that's why I say it's a soul versus ego thing, because your ego is blocking you. Okay, I'm gonna give y'all a little example coming from me. Before I started doing these videos and before I started on my spiritual journey, I was moving out of my ego. Okay, thinking I knew it all, thinking I, you know what I'm saying, thinking I was him. Okay, it's good to have confidence, y'all, but not as much confidence to the point where you're acting out of your ego or moving out of your ego. Okay, because then when it gets to that point, you just look dumb. Okay, you just look dumb. Okay, you just giving off negative vibes, and nobody wants to be around that. You're not gonna attract anything moving out of your ego. Okay, so of course it took me some time to heal. Okay, heal that, and of course purge the ego. Okay, because I knew I wasn't even like that in the first place. Like, ego wise, like I wasn't the type to just, you know what I'm saying, just move like that. Like, I wasn't always moving out of my ego. Okay, I was just in my head moving out of my ego, meaning like things that I truly wanted to do. Okay, I wouldn't do them because there was like a narrative or something in my brain, like a thought or something, maybe from somebody else's opinion, or something I was programmed to think that made me not want to do it. Okay,
And the same thing goes for if you're wanting something or if you're desiring to do something out of your ego or out of what somebody else told you in your head to make you think that you want it, okay, or that you desire.
so that's what you got to realize. Like, that ego is blocking you. Okay, it's blocking you from truly doing what you want to do in this life. Okay, I'm probably gonna say it so many times, but continue to tap in with your childlike self. All right, because that little man's, that little boy, that little girl, they know exactly what you wanted when you were little. Okay, they know exactly what you wanted to do in this life, but we were programmed. Okay, all of these all of these opinions, all of these narratives, all of this shit, we were programmed to think that is the normal, or that is what this world really is. Okay, all it is just some type of fear, doubt, or comparison to something or somebody or whatever. It could be something that's causing your ego to cause you to stop doing what you want to do. Okay, you were programmed by society's norm or what they deem as normal. As soon as you do the healing, as soon as you do the work to tap in with your true self, your soul, okay, then that's when you get to purge off that ego. You get to tap back in with your true self. Okay, from now on out, you're not moving out of your ego. You're not moving out of doubt, fear, logic, or whatever whatever you moving out of that's causing you or stopping you from being your true self. Okay, start moving out of your soul. Okay, out of your heart. Okay, out of intuition. Okay, start moving like that. Okay, that's what's going to continue to keep you keep you going, keep you being your true self, your authentic self, because you don't want to be your ego, your egotistical self. That's not true to who you are. Okay, that's causing you or stopping you or dragging you back from being where you want to be in life. Okay, purge the ego and start living from the heart, my brother. Also, you should be able to discern people that's moving or trying to come to you with their energy that's moving out of their ego or living out of their ego. You can see that shit, bro. You can see it. Trust me. Okay, especially when you're moving out of your soul or you're living or know what I'm saying, moving from the heart, okay, with things, and you using your intuition, that gut feeling as well, okay, you get to see through the bullshit. You get to see that people are moving out of their ego. People are moving out of logic or what they think is, you know what I'm saying? They think they know it all. Okay, they moving out of that energy. All right. So anybody, if you peep anybody like that, avoid them. All right, avoid them. Cause there's no point of, you know what I'm saying? Of course, hear them out if it's something serious, but if it's something as to where you know or you can see that it's some bullshit, okay, that they just trying to jack your energy or something, okay, because they moving egotistical, you ain't gotta waste your time with them, okay? You ain't gotta waste your energy on them, all right? Keep doing what you're doing, all right? Move from the heart, y'all. I'm gonna leave this video off right here, man. I appreciate every single one of y'all for sticking to the end of the video. I really hope you got some games, some wisdom, some knowledge from this video. Make sure you apply it to your real life, all right? For real. Because this is something serious. This world or this life that we're living, okay? Everybody is fighting their ego, okay? It's ego versus soul, okay? Y'all have to realize that it's a spiritual warfare. New merch. Y'all make sure y'all boys go tap in, bro. I'm gonna leave that down in the description below. Y'all make sure y'all go cop some merch, man. If you don't cop a hoodie or a shirt, make sure you at least cop a journal, all right? So you can get started on your journaling, man. I appreciate every single one of y'all for sticking to the end of the video. I'm gonna leave the Patreon as well as the one-on-one consultation down there as well. The links will be down in the description below. I love every single one of y'all. Bitch on me, Cal. Y'all have a good ass night. Y'all have a good ass morning. Y'all have a good ass afternoon, man. Wherever you at. And I'm out.
Check, Mike, check. All right, shout out to you if you made it this far in the video. All right, I'm finna go in my journal and show y'all a little something I wrote down that has to do with this topic. Soul versus ego. All right, and just so y'all know, like I ain't bullshitting. This really came from my journal.
Look, bro, I can already see it. Don't talk about my chicken scratch, bro.
I have a journal. Get you a journal. If you don't have a journal, you're not in the game for real. I wrote this in my book like a while ago when I first started my journal, when I was really, you know what I'm saying, digging into just getting knowledge and putting it, you know what I'm saying, slapping it on my journal type shit. So something everybody in this world should be doing, you know what I'm saying? Having a journal, writing down their dreams, writing down, you know what I'm saying, things they want to manifest into reality, all types of shit, bro. You can do all types of things with a journal. And I'm gonna put the journal in vid right here just in case for the people that need the video. All right, I'm gonna put it down in the description below, so y'all go tap in with that and get the knowledge on journaling. All right, so it reads: the universe is only an illusion made for experience. So we can gain wisdom, and wisdom is form. Wisdom. Oh, my fault. Wisdom is a form of unconditional love. The game of the universe is fear. Okay, so love versus fear. That's what the world. That's the game of the universe. Love versus fear. Okay. So the battle for humans and mankind, okay, for us is soul versus ego.
So pretty much to sum up what it's saying is wisdom is the key, okay? Because it's unconditional love, right? And love conquers all. So it's not only telling you that the world or the universe is an illusion, but it's also telling you that the universe is a simulation for growth.